Only 2 miles from Daisy Boat Ramp on Lake Greeson. This 1,875 square feet 3 to 4 bedroom, 1 bath house located at a dead-end road with 3 sides that are covered with trees for privacy. The south side of the property is adjacent to Weyerhaeuser land. Deer graze in the yard behind the house daily. Oversized 2-car garage attached, air-conditioned storage building, concrete storm shelter, concrete basketball court.House has recently been updated with new flooring, new 1-inch cordless blinds, new cooktop, range, deep sink, new faucet, countertops, and backsplash. Oversized extra room that can be used for a bedroom, game room, etc. with AC and heat split unit that was installed in 2020. Bathroom updated except shower/tub combo. New water heater installed 2022, all new door hardware, new ceiling fans in each room, LED can lights installed.